Well, YouTube, that's the kind of stuff you can do with some hickory trees, you know. Not too sure if I'm willing to risk that on this one. Let's give it a try, see how it works. Well, YouTube, we're back. We got another one for you. This place probably looks pretty familiar. We cut down this ash tree right here just the other day. We got finished up and everything, and me and the homeowner was talking, and he said since they're adding on here, you know, they might want to take that hickory down too. So we are going to bring you guys along with that, you know. If you guys like this video, please like it, share it, tell all your friends, your family, everybody, let them watch it. Thanks for coming along, guys. We'll see you at the top. I just can't find myself to be able to do it. We can't talk about him, but he's a beloved customer. He's the loudest laughing guy you ever see on YouTube. When the guy laughs, he goes. Hear him 2 blocks away. Great guy though, I'll tell you what. It's not this guy, so it's a different guy. He's a little ways away from home. We work for him about once, twice a year, I'd say. And YouTube, those of you that want to judge me, I'm just using one tie-in. And I'm gonna start this saw. And I'm also gonna use it one-handed. So, like it. Love it. And subscribe. Go ahead and get that dirty rope. I can roll Chris and get it up there. Probably up there for sure. Gotta love these little trees, YouTube. Wish you could climb little trees every day.
Yep. All right, thank you, Chris. See, that's something that might trip you up there, YouTube. You know, you got a branch kind of grows downward. You throw your rope over it and it slides down the branch. So I was trying to go around like this. And I think it's still suitable. It's kind of like a, you know, rock exotica. Expert use only right here, you know what I mean? But like, see how my rope slides down that? You gotta watch stuff like that, new climbers. But I'll consider myself an expert, so. You know, YouTube, you could sit here, try to throw your rope up there and all that, but it just is easy to clip it right here, you know. Just work your way up. Stay clear. Chris, get out of there. You're lingering in a bad spot, dude. Get the limbs and get out of that area. Get in and get the limbs and get out. Don't linger down there. Well, then you need to communicate with me a little bit, because I was up here dealing with a hanger.
Just about fell out of my hands and got you. That hanger I was wanting to get yesterday, Dan. Yeah.
Yep. Well,
tree climber problems. This thing all wrapped around my leg and everything, man.
I'll have to hit mine.
Yeah, I guess. Me and Chris on here.
There? Yeah. All right, YouTube. So hickory tree is very peely and hingy. Okay, so these are over the tree. I thought maybe we'd do some friction roping, natural crotch roping, but I think what I'm going to do is just peel those. Cut it there, let it peel. Cut it there, let it collapse. Cut it here, let it collapse some more. Let it break free and fall. We'll see how this works out. Well, YouTube, that's the kind of stuff you can do with some hickory trees, you know. Not too sure if I'm willing to risk that on this one. Let's give it a try, see how it works. Chris, get out of there. All right, YouTube, so you guys kind of seen what was going on there. That was up, you know, pretty much all over the garage or there, or the carport, you know, and this hickory, it's just so sticky. Sometimes you can just peel it around like that, peel it back all the way to the trunk, and just makes it collapse on itself, you know. But you better be confident in what you're doing, you know. So in this case, I was pretty confident that it would work out. And as you've seen, it did. We did it in 2 spots here and over here. If you guys enjoy that tip, like and subscribe. And I ain't seen the sun shining, I don't know when, and I shot a man in Texas just to watch him bleed. Something, something, something that Sorry, YouTube, don't know the rest of that song. Chris, go ahead and get this dirty rope out there and prep it out yonder. And I shot a man in Reno. Is it Reno or Texas? Chris, you got it. Look, you got these crossed, dude. There you go, bub. Good. Huh?
I grabbed the rope and for them not to yell because they know it's 170. You put that old one in there.
Don't pull that, Chris. Don't pull that. I'm not ready yet. I'm ready over here, John. You just need help pulling this. Yeah, go all the way back to the end of the rope. We'll go right there, try to swoop that cherry tree just a little bit. You could even go further over that way. Yeah, okay. Just pull really hard because it's leaning over the back of me and to the side of me. So you have to stand it up straight first. I showed you that, YouTube, but it's kind of curled back pretty hard. We don't want to tear up the little trees. Very nice, very nice. Good job. Not at this moment, no.
comes the one. Yeah, I don't care what we do with them. I think on my last cut, YouTube, I forgot to, you know, do this. I think. I'm not sure. Take the dirty rope, Chris. Dirty rope, Chris. Oh, did you put it up? Damn. I need something. Yeah, probably. Sorry. Is in the action, man, in the moment, cutting.
I wasn't going to roll it up yet, that's why I asked you. I was just moving it out my way because I couldn't.
We can use whatever rope's easiest, but oh, yeah, okay. Alright, okay. Sorry about that. Sorry. That's all I can say, sorry. Ain't nothing else I can say about it. Whoops. Told these guys to put that dirty rope up, and well, I wasn't done with it. And they asked me twice if I was done with it. And I said, yeah, I'm done with it. I wasn't done with it. So, sorry to my fellow ground members. Right now, YouTube, what I'm doing is setting up a tangled mess. A retrieval from the ground here. Basically is what I'm doing here. So I like to use a double figure eight here on a situation like this. Stick that there. Take me a carabiner in there like so. See, now this tail here is gonna get pulled on and it'll bring the knot out of the tree for me. Help me get down. So, but before I do that, we gotta hook this dirty rope up here. I call this the dirty rope because dirty rope does dirty jobs, like pulling trees over. Just like so. We kind of want to
put that carabiner on the back there, YouTube, so it don't get smashed down in the mud. But you just run down right here, sit on that, make sure it's all right, test it before we use it. Actually, I'm gonna leave this on here just to keep things on the safe side. So there it is, YouTube, working out. So now here's what I did, guys. Basically, you just pull on this end here, and your rope tie-in come all the way down to the ground for you. And that right there is how you cut a tree down, how you set a canopy anchor that you can retrieve from the ground, and how you just, hell, cut out of a tree. Thanks for watching, YouTube. We'll see you guys on the next one.